Hey guys, welcome back. Got a big update to share with you guys. Big life-changing update. My wife's pregnant. We're gonna have a little girl in September. So that being said, big long story to go along with that. Well, where she works does not pay maternity leave. Mind you, they're one of the most expensive camper companies anywhere, but they don't pay their employees maternity leave. So to get around that, you know, my wife needs 12 weeks off or whatever it is that maternity leave is anymore. And that's something like $7,000 of no pay for 3 months, which is a mind-boggling number. So I'm trying to come up with $7,000 and going to start doing jobs on the side. Started a company and going to be doing all this other stuff. So let me guys know if you'd want to see some of these jobs. This is going to be one of them. My buddy, when he heard about that, he's awesome by the way, Brian, he said, hey, I got a shed that I need torn down. I don't have the time because I'm working out of town on jobs. So I'll pay you to come and tear down this shed. You know, me, awesome. Yeah, I'll do it. Just tell me how much you'll pay. So that's what we're doing today. We're heading off to about 45 minutes-ish away from my house. Go tear down this shed and clean everything up. Yeah, so got a lot to do today. Bring you guys along. He actually asked me if I could make this YouTube video of it. And yeah, no problem, I can make a video. I was already kind of thinking about it. So yeah, get back with you guys once we actually get on site, start scoping the stuff out, and see how much it'll take to tear it down. My main plan right now, I'm going to try taking it apart in pieces, not actually demolish it, because that would just make it way easier to transport. So if I could take it down in 6 to 10 pieces, that'd be way easier. So yeah, we'll see what it looks like when I get on site. See you guys later. Okay guys, here on site, looking at the shed here. It's just a 10 wrapped shed. Go inside and give you guys a look at it. Shouldn't be too hard. Gotta clean out the rest of the stuff in there. A couple bags, not too much. So yeah, got some electric to pull out. It should be turned off, but I'm going to double check that. Yeah, it's just that particle board there. Get pulled off to the exterior. Yeah, not a whole lot to it. Going to try popping the roof off, and then hopefully the walls just come apart. You can see there's some lags holding it together. So I'll get that all disassembled. Shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, let me get all set up and I'll start transporting stuff and get back with you. Okay, got the lion's share of everything out of here. So yeah, time to work on the electric. And these little things, lifesavers. Probably quite literally, because you can stick them in anything and it tells you if there's anything energized in there. So yeah, now I know that this is safe. Go ahead and turn it back off. Switch out. Lineman pliers. Put them on there. And this is when we hope there's no big boom. We're good. Alright. So now, electric is disconnected. We are now separated. Time to go through. Here are those lag bolts I was telling you about. Time to go through. Remove these lag bolts. And see how much trouble I can get into. So, before I remove the lag bolts, I want to get the rough down. That would hurt. So yeah, I'll poke and prod at it a little bit and I'll get back with you guys when it's about to come down. Okay guys, this thing's about to come down on me. Went to go lift up the roof. I can't lift it, it's too heavy. Twisted a rib, so yeah, the rest of this won't be fun. Went ahead and removed all the center roof braces. So she's sagging, you can see, in between those two boards, how much she's sagging. So I think I'm going to take my Sawzall, cut the end caps in half, and she should be ready to fall in on herself. So I'll do that, put you guys back up on the stand, and see what you think. Have fun. guess now that the sun has moved, I can put you guys over here so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better. This thing's a little bit more difficult to tear apart than what I thought, because there's nails on all the corner posts. So yeah, not really wanting to fall apart. I got all the bolts out, and it's being stubborn. Alright, got everything torn down. That took forever. But now just comes the part where I gotta move all of this junk with all this stuff. I'm gonna have a full trailer. So yeah, I won't record that because I'm probably starting to run out of memory on my phone. But yeah, got her all torn down. Time to get her all cleaned up. See you in a minute. Okay guys, got a snake and nappy here. Got everything torn down, cleaned up. So yeah, that was a lot. Got most everything cleaned up. Talked to Brian, and yeah, he said everything was good. So yeah, maybe one day he'll let you guys meet him. So I'll see you back at the house. Okay guys, made it back home here. Everything got home safely. About to take off and go get all this stuff taken care of. Get it off my trailer, because as you can see, I need a mow really bad. And yeah, I need the trailer to go get my mower. So yeah, nothing flew off on the way here. Everything turned out good. So gonna take it over and probably take it to a dump or something like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought, and we might do more of this stuff. I'm planning on, you know, working on like commercial doors, replacing windows, that kind of stuff. So this isn't really what I'm doing, but yeah, if you guys thought that would be interesting to watch, let me know. I'll hopefully have a lot of that stuff coming up to do. And yeah, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and bell notification button so you guys get notified when I actually post a video. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.